Welcome back. This is principle number 4 in our series on principles for delivering problem-based learning. Principle number 4 is that learners may arrive at learning outcomes through different routes. What can we say about that?
Well, I'd start by saying that it's really a parallel thing to the flexibility of the teacher.
Yep.
Because the students also must be allowed great flexibility. And I know that this is a darling of yours, so I think you should carry on and say why did it become a darling to you?
Yes, so often when people are preparing traditional courses, they might think about what might be the learning resources they need to prepare for the students to get into the space. So they might say, I want the students to read these reports and these papers, or I want them to watch this video, this TED Talk, whatever it might be. But I think in preparing a problem-based learning course, you have to be ready for the students to arrive at the problem through any number of different ways. You can think of the problem as being a building, and they'll enter through different doors. So you need to create different doorways for them. So be ready for them to ask questions about quite different areas and have some initial resources for them. And don't worry if they don't use them. They may come at it a different way.
And this goes back to what we said earlier, that you have to have, that's very important in PBL, you have to have pay this great attention to where the students are, because they're not following the same path. And you can only learn where they are by asking them and paying attention to what they say, rather than paying attention to what you think, you think they might be or ought to be.
So there we go, that's principle number 4. Expect the learners to come at the problem from different directions. Here comes principle number 5.